Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something essential for small apartment investors: preventive maintenance. Trust me, having a solid plan can save you time, money, and a ton of headaches. So, let's break down how you can develop a preventive maintenance checklist for your critical building systems. First, identify your key systems, HVAC systems. This includes your heating and cooling units, thermostats, ductwork, and filters. These need regular servicing to keep your tenants comfortable and your units running efficiently. Next, plumbing systems. Think water heaters, pipes, faucets, drains, and common area plumbing fixtures. Fixing these proactively prevents water damage. And don't forget electrical systems, circuit breakers, outlets, wiring, smoke detectors, and surge protectors. Regular checks here reduce fire risks and ensure reliable power. Now define those maintenance tasks and set your service intervals. For HVAC maintenance quarterly, replace filters and check thermostat settings. Annually, clean coils, inspect ductwork, calibrate controls, and check refrigerant levels. For plumbing monthly, check for visible leaks in common areas and inspect water pressure. Annually, flush water heaters, clean drains, and inspect pipes for corrosion. Electrical maintenance quarterly, test smoke detectors and replace batteries if needed. Annually, inspect wiring, test circuit breakers, and evaluate safety equipment. Next, create a detailed checklist. For HVAC, include tasks like replace filters, clean coils, and inspect ductwork with a notes column for any unusual findings or repairs needed. For plumbing, list inspect water heater, flush drains, and check for leaks as standard tasks. Document any issues that need follow-up. For electrical, add test smoke detectors, check outlet functionality, and inspect wiring. Notes help track safety and repair needs over time. Organize your checklist by frequency and assign responsibilities. Monthly tasks. Your on-site maintenance staff can handle basic checks like visual inspections or battery changes in smoke detectors. For quarterly and annual tasks, coordinate with contractors. Schedule HVAC and electrical services to make sure complex tasks are handled by pros. Don't forget tracking and follow-up. After each maintenance task, ensure documentation is complete and schedule any necessary follow-up inspections or repairs. Establishing a budget and a maintenance record system is crucial. Allocate funds based on your preventive maintenance schedule, covering routine costs and anticipated repairs. This ensures you're financially prepared. Consider using property management software to track schedules, vendor details, costs, and maintenance histories. This simplifies tracking and ensures all tasks are completed on time. Periodically review your program to adjust service intervals or add tasks as systems age. Feedback from tenants or vendors can help identify additional maintenance needs. Quick tips for an effective program. Establish clear vendor expectations. Provide specific tasks for each visit and hold them accountable for reporting issues. Inspect before and after service to ensure all work is done correctly. Communicate with tenants about upcoming maintenance to minimize inconvenience and highlight service improvements. Implementing preventive maintenance programs for critical building systems protects your investment, minimizes emergency repairs, and enhances tenant satisfaction. By developing a detailed checklist, partnering with qualified vendors, and tracking results, you'll maintain your properties efficiently. Preventive maintenance preserves property value, supports tenant retention, and ensures long-term stability. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on apartment investing.